Tech enthusiasts, brace yourselves for the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 AI PC, unveiled at CES 2025 as the world's first rollable display laptop, hitting shelves in June 2025 for $3,499. This game-changer boasts a 14-inch OLED display that magically extends to 16.7 inches with a simple button press or hand gesture, delivering a 120Hz refresh rate, 400 nits brightness, and 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy for vibrant visuals, perfect for multitasking or immersive creative work. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 Lunar Lake processor, up to 32GB LPDDR5X RAM, and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it's a powerhouse for professionals tackling AI-driven tasks. Lenovo's AI Now and CoPilot Plus generative AI tools, paired with ThinkBook Workspace and Lenovo Smart Copy, supercharge productivity, while Wi-Fi 7 and to Thunderbolt for ports ensure blazing fast connectivity. Weighing 3.7 pounds and featuring a 66 watt-hours battery, it's built for mobility, with a durable design rated for 20,000 rolls and MIL-STD810H testing pending. The 5MP camera with privacy shutter and Dolby Atmos Harman Kardon speakers elevate video calls and media. However, watch out for potential visible display creases when extended and some Windows software quirks that might need polishing. With a 50% recycled aluminum chassis and 100% plastic-free packaging. It's eco-conscious too. This is cutting-edge tech for early adopters and mobile pros. Drop your thoughts below on whether this rollable revolution is worth the premium price. Is the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 6's rollable display the future of laptops? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cutting-edge tech reviews. Share this video with your tech crew and let's geek out together.